How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Today we are going to be taking you through several models here at Silvercrest. Silvercrest is located in Corona, California. We will be taking you through HUD products as well as park models. Park models and HUD products could be used as accessory dwelling units to go in your backyards. They could be the main dwelling on private land or on leased land. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified when we release this several part series. Ring that bell. Also, we appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. We hope you enjoy these tours.